Ayan, ito yung part ng Paichiki. Ayan. Yung overpass noon na ginagawa ay ngayon ay open na po sa lahat ng dumadaan. So, ang galing ng government dito sa Macau. Ayan, yung Praia Tower. Hanggang ano din yan? Hanggang around 60 floor. Oh my God. Buti na lang yung amo ko 23 lang. Pero pag nasa taas ka ng 23, pag tingin mo sa baba ay para ng mga laruan, yung mga sasakyan. Tignan nyo guys, ang ganda ng ng kalangitan. Asul, dito ay asul. Blue. At dito naman ay ayan, ayan yung yung liwanag. At ito yung mga yan yung mga yati at saka yung mga palaisdaan na nangingisda ba yan sila? Hindi ko alam. Hindi kayo nagmadali, tanangin ko muna. I am looking my old followers who bashed me before, where they are now. I wish they are chatting Daryl Pasa, because me, I thought I am chatting Daryl Pasa, but the truth is he's fake. You just want the payment of fake royal membership card. So I stopped talking or chatting with him because it's really dangerous. Otherwise, they will keep all of my savings. Okay? He's pretend that Prince Hamdan Pasa, but the truth it's not. Mostly Nigerian, Pakistan, and of course have also USA, because he's using the name of the receiver is have USA, Poland, Brazil, Germany, Italy. So many guys. So be careful everyone. They are group of scammers. You know why I am saying this? Because I already experience and I try my very best to know the truth. I can share it if who want to see, but I cannot post it in social media or sending it into the messenger cannot. Okay? But I move on already because God give me the best. Because the person who I am chatting, he's Nigerian man. Okay? He is a Nigerian man, pretend that Paza. Okay? This is the truth. Nothing but the truth. So guys, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng location ko talaga. The country I have work, only I only like Macau. Yan, ang ganda ng kulay oh. Ang ganda ng ang dami ring mga motorcycle dito. Ayan, rain or shine yung mga motor nila dito. Pero ang ganda talaga ng building oh. Colorful, napaka colorful ng kanilang building. Ang ganda, napaka-asol ng ng kalangitan guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, yan yung bus oh. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kulay. I like green. Ayan. Ayan. At ito yung yung dalawang aso. Ayan. Oh. Tapos ito ako. So wala nang magkakamali na mag-message sa akin because I really block the person under the name or who used the name of Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai. It's not the prince. It's a scammer. Pretend Pasa. Okay? No Pasa in social media. They only need from you or woman is money to buy his royal membership card. His fake royal card. These people is no shame. These people is no scared to God. They didn't scared to Allah. Okay? Their God is money. That is the truth. If you're chatting Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai and after that offer love to you, mark my words. They asking you payment for your royal card, or if he asking you or he offer you love because he said now that he is still single mata, and then they will ask you to pay first the royal card and after that certificate of marriage, or they offer you fake work, and then so guys, it's up to you. Me, I am chatting him before because he said he's the real Pasa, but I try my very best, but I have feelings that he's not, but I still continue to know the truth. So I know the truth, so never. But I think it's the way of God. How I know the truth? It's the way of God. And now all my sacrifices, all my sacrifices, my bashers, my everything, I paid off because now I am already monetized in my TikTok, my YouTube channel. So I'm really happy. How much I lost my money, I slowly take it back to me. It's the plan of God. And to those people who believe in me, you are safe because no Pasa in social media. The only need from you is money. They are great pretender. I'm telling you this. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for always there for me, for your support. I try my best to speak in English, even I am a Filipino, because my followers is not all Filipino. Some are also in part of other country who like to watch my video. So I am try my best to speak in English. It's up to you if you don't understand, because I am not American. I am Filipino. I just learn. Okay? So mabuhay Pilipinas. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Bye-bye.